In this video, I will be showing you how to fix content that failed to load on ChatGPT. Let's get started. I am currently on the ChatGPT homepage. To begin troubleshooting, I will navigate to the top right corner of the browser and click on the three vertical dots to open the menu. From the drop-down list, I hover over Extensions and then click on Manage Extensions. This opens the Extensions page. Here, I scan through my active extensions to find the one causing issues. I locate the VPN extension and toggle the switch to turn it off. Next, I close the Extensions tab and return to the ChatGPT page. Now, I will open the side menu by clicking on the menu icon in the upper left corner. I click on my profile name at the bottom of the sidebar to reveal more choices and click on Settings. In the Settings panel, I select Data Controls from the left menu. I look for archived chats and click on the Manage button next to it. A pop-up appears showing that I have no archived conversations, so I close it by clicking the X. I also close the Settings dialog. Next, I click on the Settings icon or the information icon next to chatgpt.com in the address bar. From the drop-down menu, I click on Site Settings. This opens a new Chrome Settings tab specific to the site. Under the Usage section, I click on the Delete Data button. A confirmation prompt asks if I want to delete site data, and I click Delete to confirm. Once the data is cleared, I close this Settings tab and return to ChatGPT. To ensure all settings are updated, I click on the site information icon in the address bar again. This time, I select Cookies and Site Data from the menu, and then click on Manage on Device Site Data. A window pops up showing the active site data for ChatGPT.com. I click Done to close it. A notification banner appears at the top asking to reload the page to apply the updated settings. I click the Reload button. The page refreshes, and I am prompted to log back in. I click the Login button, select my account from the Google Sign-in prompt, and click Continue. The browser verifies my credentials, and after a brief moment, the main ChatGPT interface loads completely. The chat screen is fully restored, and the system is ready for use, confirming that the content loading issue has been successfully resolved. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.